In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable your speaker output on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. And then select system on the left panel. On the right side now, you want to select where it says sound. And then scrolling down underneath advanced, select all sound devices, locate the speaker device in question, and then you can either select don't allow if you want to turn it off or allow it if you want to enable it. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.